Good morning, Trojans. Hope everybody's ready for another great week here at Cambridge Public Schools. We're super excited to have you here on Monday. Um, Obviously, the girls' golf team is going to be competing this week at state golf. Zion's going to be competing at state tennis later on this week. So, congratulations for their achievements to this point, and good luck this week at their events. Um, Last week's Monday mission was having respect for yourself and others. Some ways that you can show respect for yourself would be to care for yourself, to believe in yourself that you are able to do great things, just by simply understanding that and committing to giving that sort of effort to yourself on a daily and weekly basis. You're going to live a lot more healthy, mentally healthy life. And then also by showing respect to others can be done through listening. Obviously, we want to be inherently independent people. Through listening, we can always gather more information that's going to help us be more successful later on down the road. So be willing to be a listener. Be willing to accept information from others, and that'll help you out in the long run. Congratulations to last week's Students of the Week. We had Peyton Susi, Spencer Rice, and Angel Rodriguez. Congratulations to those 3 students, and we're looking forward to another 3 students coming up this week. This week's Monday mission is expressing gratitude. Expressing gratitude is a form of respect given through expressing a gesture of thankfulness. Saying thank you or I appreciate you doing this for me can go a long way in helping build a lasting positive relationship. Things that you can do to show gratitude towards others: thanking someone for holding the door for you, thanking someone for serving you, and thanking your parents for the home they provide, the food in your belly, and the clothes on your back. Those are things that, although are very minor in the grand scheme of things, shouldn't get overlooked. They should be treated just the same as something that's very important to you. Expressing that sort of gratitude and not giving a lot of negative feedback when things go not the way that you want are going to go greatly appreciated by those groups. That's a great form of respect right there, is showing gratitude and caring about others and caring about the feelings of others and wanting to foster that growth of a relationship. Again, in October, our Trojan Way focus is going to be respectful. You want to show respect to others by recognizing the good works that they do for you and those around you. Some people that do those good works are teachers, parents, classmates, etc. They're all guilty of doing things for you and others. So recognize those good deeds by saying thanks. Thank you is like I said, doesn't take any effort, doesn't cost us any money, but it can go a long way in making yourself feel better about yourself, making others feel better about themselves, and growing and fostering positive relationships. So with that, I hope everybody has a great week. Enjoy the rain, and be ready to attack this week and have a great week, and go Trojans.